what actually happens when people wait too long between waxing appointments. And almost no one talks about it. It's not just more hair. When hair is left to grow unchecked for long periods, the skin starts to suffer. Ingrowns become more common. Dark marks show up. The area gets more sensitive, not less. Then, people try to fix it themselves. They exfoliate aggressively, they pick, they try TikTok hacks, and without realizing it, they create irritation that takes longer to heal than the hair ever would have. By the time they come in, we're not just removing hair, we're correcting damage that didn't need to happen. This is why consistency matters. Not for perfection, for skin health. Avoiding appointments doesn't protect your skin, it puts more stress on it. If you've noticed irritation, ingrowns, or discoloration showing up more often, look at the services linked below. They're designed to fix the issues people usually wait too long to address. Maintenance prevents repair every single time.